Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create reports for your projects and tasks on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to GanttPro and take a look at that panel here to the left once you're logged in, and navigate to reports here to the left. Now, if you haven't created any report yet, you will see these templates you may use, for example, to create report. Let's say, for example, a project report by status. To do that, click into that plus create button here and assign a project to your report to, for example, compare or to analyze the status of these projects within a report. So click into the drop-down menu and select all projects you would like to include in that project. Or you may, for example, click into select all and after that click into create. Wait for a brief moment and there you go. That's basically the report. Now, as you can see, that, for example, project here, or these projects, total projects, I included two, feature two tasks that have the on track status. And no, excuse me, these projects are on track status or under review. It's not the task status, of course, but for the project. For example, guys, if I click into all projects here at top left, you will see the status or progress here. And there you go. One project is under review, the other one on track. And that has been translated into that report, as you can see. So if you had, for example, I don't know, dozens of these projects, all with different or on a different level of progress or status, you would see that displayed in that report. And that's actually it. You can, of course, create also other reports. It doesn't have to be that one. You can export the report by clicking into this button in the top right, or as previously mentioned, click into reports here and select, for example, milestone timeline and repeat the same process. Click into that create button and include your projects to get a milestone timeline for your projects within that report. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.